Well, you couldn't get much more than a tailored package than this one. Stick with me, because I'm going to go through what makes this trailer the perfect choice for you. This trailer is the 3.6 by 2.1 Pro Series rear tipper trailer. A pretty versatile yet great size for doing multiple jobs around the farm, going into town, etc., as well as the tips. On this one, we've got the Drawbar Toolbox, we've got the heavy duty removable headboard. Customer has opted for the 450mm Dropsides. You might have noticed a spare wheel up on the headboard. Customer has chosen for 2 spare wheels, one at the headboard and one at our standard location under the trailer at the back. At the back of the trailer, customer has opted for the heavy duty removable ladder rack. You can put that in the back or you can put it in the front, depends on what you're doing. It's also opted for the 1.5 ton aluminium ramps and ramp storage. A great option because he wants to haul a buggy on his hunting trips when he goes away. Remove the rack, remove the sides, put the buggy up on, put the sides back on, happy days. As is standard on all our Pro Series rear tippers, we run a 9 ton Italian made hydraulic ram under the trailer. The box in here houses all our hydraulic pump, 12 volt battery setup. It's protected, there's a lid on it, nothing can fall on it, get damaged or get broken. Adding another dimension to this already impressive trailer is the 2000 litre custom water skid. Plenty of options for it. You've got fork pockets and you've got lift on points. We've built it to suit our trailer so that it works with our standard bolt-in tight-down points. Pretty secure in the trailer. 2000 litres, and it comes with a fill-in point so you can suck out of dams, fire hose reel, and it comes with a Honda petrol trash pump. A great little unit for fighting fires, dust suppression, anything like that. So if you're looking around for a multi-purpose, do it once, do it right trailer, then this could be one of the packages that you opt for. Giving you ability to load it with dirt, load it with logs, waste, anything that you guys want to tip out, maximum capacity with the high sides, but being able to remove the headboard, all the sizes, a complete flat deck, either to cart water around like this one, or for buggies or four-wheel drives, whatever you guys want to put up on the back of it, pallets, going into town, IBCs, etc. You've got that option, and you've got the option for a 2000 litre water skid for fighting fires and dust suppression. So that's a wrap on this build. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like it, subscribe, follow. We'll catch you on the next one.